Yo, Jordan Brand had the perfect opportunity to probably capitalize off of this Air Jordan 4 we about to unbox today, but we're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Stick around, stay tuned, and hit that like button before we get into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to today's video. You guys already know, man, it's greatly appreciated, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. You guys know the goal for every single video is 400 likes, especially if you want to see an on feed over some of these upcoming releases that I have been showing you. Just the other day, I did show you guys the Air Jordan 3 Green Glows, which happen to be, you know what I'm saying, probably one of the ones that could have done better when they do release, but due to the fact that we're getting the reimagined 3s later this year, people probably putting those to the back burner. So a lot of people being very selective this year, including myself. I'm being super selective on what I'm keeping, what I'm, you know what I'm saying, what I'm rocking and stuff like that. But with these Jordan 4s right here, man, these might be another one of them keepers, bro. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. Been dropping a bunch of reels for you guys, touching up on some dope topics in a short span video. So make sure you guys tap into all the YouTube shorts and see what, you know, what's popping, bro. What's the latest news? What's the latest buzz? And the shorts definitely are very informative. All right, guys, we had to take a quick intermission so I can put you guys on to today's sponsor of the video, which is YESOUL. So as you guys see behind me, man, we have the new and improved G1 YESOUL bike, which you can of course get some nice workouts on. I've had it for a couple of weeks now, had some test runs. Check out a couple different features that they do have on the YESOUL app, and they have a variety of HIIT trainings, bike workouts, whatever type of training you do want, you can tailor that workout to what your goal is. And the instructions were really beginner friendly. I know a lot of people are not used to, you know, assembling something like this, but it literally took me only 30 minutes to assemble the whole bike that you guys see behind me. And for a limited time only, your boy will have a discount code for you guys to use, which is DeVintage, to save you $100 off your entire purchase, which just does retail for $499. It comes with a huge screen. It comes with the app, so you can get some nice workouts. And I feel like this is something that definitely everybody should have in their home, especially when they don't feel like going all the way to the gym. Something that I love about the YESOUL G1 bike is that you can adjust the resistance that you are pedaling, along with, of course, you know what I'm saying, adjusting the height where you want to sit, depending on which workouts you are using. Like I said, man, you see the huge screen, you got different features on the YESOUL app, and literally all you gotta do is connect the cable that comes with the bike. You can actually mirror your phone, whatever you want to watch. Say for instance, you want to watch YouTube, watch this. You will have you something like this right here. So you can watch your boy DeVintage unbox some sneakers while you're working out. And what's also dope, I gotta show you guys real quick, is it has the entire workout right here. So it has the distance, it has the power that you're putting out, and it has the RPM. So not only can you watch some dope videos, some dope, you know, some at-home workouts on the YESOUL app, you can track what you're actually doing during the entire process. So again, man, make sure you use my link down below in the description box. Use my discount code DeVintage, save you $100 off your entire purchase. That was a little quick workout right there I did during this video. So make sure you guys go tap in with YESOUL and tell me your boy DeVintage sent you. All right, man, so here we have the box right here. You guys know, bro, GOAT has been my go-to, bro. And shouts out to the GOAT app for catching the replicas that somebody tried to sell me. I tried to buy the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues that released this year. You know what I'm saying? But they end up being the replicas. So I got to get my hats off to GOAT to catch that fake, not let them get through the app. And like I said, I'm still Military Blue 4-less, but hopefully here soon the pairs start getting out, the back door open up, so I can show you guys some things early, man. So like I said, man, let's go ahead and get in here, bro. Shouts out to the lovely GOAT app. I've been waiting on a couple of pairs from them. I don't know what's been going on with the shipment with DHL, but it seemed like it's been like a delay, bro. It's a couple different hubs around the world, and I feel like the majority of the sneakers I've been getting early come from overseas, so it kind of halts the process of me showing you guys some of these early kicks, man. So let's go ahead and get in here. Let's see what we got, bro. Let's see what's popping inside the box. You guys know, bro, I look at the shoe with you guys. I don't unbox it first and then check it out, so I can, you know, I want everything to be real uncut with you guys, man. So let's go ahead and pull these bad boys out, bro. Let's go ahead and pull them out right here, bro. Y'all see it, bro. Dope box, dope presentation. Hold on, okay, bro. All right, Jordan Brand, let's go ahead and check out the box. You guys see you have the gold metallic flight up top with the Jumpman with the little cement gold fleckles around the entire box, bro. The flakes, the gold flakes, bro. They're going crazy with these right here. But the official colorway reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Sail Metallic Gold and Black. And when you put sail on a 4 and some metallic gold, we about to show y'all what we get right here, man. So let's go ahead and flip these guys open, bro. Let's go ahead and flip them open. The GOAT tag is right here. You guys know how it come, bro. GOAT QR code with the GOAT branded on the front right here. You guys know how it come, bro. I've been shopping with GOAT so long. Y'all know exactly how it's coming, man. So let's go ahead and check them out. Actually, let me take a little quick peek. Let me take a quick peek, bro. Okay, I see where Jordan Brand going with these right here, man. These things is tough, bro. These things is tough, man. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick, man. Check them out, bro. Whew. Air Jordan 4 metallic gold things, bro. Y'all can't tell me these ain't hard, man. So let me go ahead and pull both of these joints out of the box and let me give you guys my honest take, bro. Hold on, bro. See, Jordan Brand, I'm gonna get into the topic early, bro. I told y'all Nike had a great opportunity, you know what I'm saying, capitalize off this release right here. But what they did was made these another women's exclusive, bro. What has been going on with the women's exclusives from Jordan Brand, bro? Like, every one that we do get, the quality is immaculate, the colorway is immaculate, and they have not been doing extended sizes on these releases, which I don't know why, bro, but the details is different, bro. These are definitely different, bro. Check out even the Jumpman on the tongue, bro. It's not your regular, like, you know, embroidered Jumpman. They gotta like impress or indent it into the tongue, which I gotta hit y'all with some B-roll. But overall, the leather quality, the sail hits, bro. These things right here is tough, bro. I gotta hit y'all with some B-roll over here. And I love how they have, you know, the different whites, the sail. So on the upper, pretty much you got that, you know, true white colorway. But on the heel of the sneaker, that's where that sail comes from, and more towards the midsole of the entire Air Jordan 4 metallic golds that we have right here, man. But you guys let me know, bro. Let me know right now down below in the comment section, bro. After first looks, first initial, you know what I'm saying, visuals of these things, man. How are y'all feeling, bro? Me, myself, like I said, bro, these is tough. These is definitely tough. And I feel like this follows suits, you know what I'm saying, follow suit with, you know, the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. This is definitely up there as far as a dope Air Jordan 4. I know a lot of people kind of shy away from the gold on the sneaker, the metallic look. You know, we got the Air Jordan 1 metallic gold women's exclusive. Then they followed suit with a pair of 4s, and these are nice, bro. Quality is crazy on here. The different hits like the tongue, the nice, you know what I'm saying, sail back tab is really giving me, you know what I'm saying, some off-white type of vibes to this entire sneaker. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the official release date real quick. I believe it's March the 16th, but I don't want to lie to you guys. So let me go ahead and pull up Sneaker Bar Detroit, probably one of my most you know, resourceful spots to see when actually a sneaker is dropping. Just go ahead and head over there, go to the Jordan releases, and check out when these things are coming out. These is nice. These is definitely nice. And I told y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know if I'm keeping or not. Y'all know for sure these guys right here is staying in the collection. Cause look at these, bro. These things is tough, and it's not too much gold. That's what I really love, bro. It's not too much gold. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too extravagant. Just kind of give you more of like a pure money 4 vibe, or even the metallic pack that they dropped back in 2020, I believe, when they had like the metallic purples. Then they even dropped like a metallic green, a metallic red. And just the only thing better with these is you actually get some sail hits on the sneaker, which did not come in the metallic pack that I'm talking about, nor the pure money 4. So we in March, like I said, we already got the all the 5s to drop. We got the Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jacks coming out. And for these joints, they will be releasing March the 9th. So here within a couple of days on the Nike sneakers app, these Air Jordan 4 metallic gold women's exclusives will be coming out. So if you guys can't fit into the sizing that they do have currently for these Air Jordan 4s, let me know if you will be snagging them. Let me know if you're gonna be adding to the collection. And I just want to make sure that these are on the sneakers app as of now, because March 9th it's in a couple of days, bro. It's gonna come super quick. And yes, they are on the sneakers app, man. Go ahead and check that out right there. They're coming in extended sizes. No, the biggest size is a size men 10 and a half. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. Jordan Brand be dropping the ball sometime, bro. Just imagine if they made these extended sizing, even with the women's exclusive, there'll be a lot more people that try to get these joints. I'm telling y'all, bro, you see them in hand, and hopefully within this video, I'm giving you guys some nice shots of them because, bro, these are nice, bro. They nice. I just gotta keep it real, gotta keep it a buck with you guys. I ain't trying to hype nothing up. I ain't getting paid from Jordan Brand, from GOAT, from nobody. I just want to show you guys my expression, you know what I'm saying, how I feel about the sneaker. And these right here is dope, bro. These is nice. These is some kiss and must cop for your boy DeVintage, man. And I ain't even peeped the outsole, man. I ain't even peeped the outsole, but I do that more towards the entire view on feet. But you kind of get like a gum jump man down there. It's not like a metallic gold. It's like more of that gum bottom we got on the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 metallic golds. Kind of the same similar type of style jump man on the outsole of these Air Jordan 4s right here. So yeah, man, Jordan Brand going crazy with the 4s this year. I feel like even the Air Jordan 3s, we get some dope ones. And of course, all the Air Jordan 1 lows that will be popping up here within the near future. The Mocha Air Jordan 1 lows. We got the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1 lows, Shadow 1 lows. I can go on and on. But like I said, more towards we get closer to those release dates. Hopefully I can get them early. Hopefully I can show you guys. But I need everybody right now to smack that like button, hit the notification bell, and of course, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get that 100K this year, man. 100K to grind, 100K to mission, and hopefully I bring you guys all along the way through this entire journey, man. It's been fun. It's still fun. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all for showing support to your boy through this sneaker journey, man, that we are doing on YouTube, bro. But last looks, 360 of the Air Jordan 4 metallic gold. Super nice, super crispy. And I'm telling y'all, bro, this might be one of the ones, but Nike did not do extended sizing, which kind of sucks. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, hit that like button, subscribe, and notification bell. And all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage will catch you in the next video, man. Got another early look for y'all, man. Peace.